Hello everyone! In this short video I will tell you how you can, without any knowledge or experience, create and sell templates for the most popular website engine, WordPress, on the exchange. Look, for example, this author received about $18,000 for their template, which costs $15. It's madness. Look. And this author, for a template costing $29, received about $72,000 for 2,500 sales. We will do something similar. I will explain in detail how to make similar templates and sell them. So, let's get started. First, go to Google and enter the following query. AI WordPress Builder. Select this site. AI Website Builder. Create your site in seconds. Note, the site may not be the first one, so we are on the site. The next site, here is its full name, is an artificial intelligence from WordPress developers that can quickly and accurately create the template you need based on the description you enter in this field. For WordPress, I suggest creating, for example, a template for a pizzeria website. So I enter text, create, template for a home stereo website. The name of the pizzeria is Magic Pizza. Next, on this site, we are offered to create our own account. You can do this through a Google account or by entering an email. It will be more convenient for me to do this through a Google account. So the most interesting part begins, creating the website. Here, we are asked to confirm if everything is correct. Yes, we click agree. Oh, wow. The first drafts of our template are appearing before us. Excellent. Well, this template can be slightly edited. Click Continue. So here we can change its appearance. For example, like this. It's somehow more convenient, I think, but look, everything needed for the template is present here, and it can all be edited as well. Here, you can change the color palettes of your design. For example, which do you like more? Perhaps indeed this option is quite courageous. Also this one. This one allows you to change the fonts, such as different styles and sizes. For example, I like this one more, or maybe this one, to suit your preference or mood at any given time. Let's keep it like this. Next. So, we have created a completely unique template for websites on the WordPress engine. Next, we need to download it. Go to this section, scroll down, and click Export. Click here, and wait for our template to download. That's it. It's that easy. There. The download of our template has started. Here, it is in front of you. Great. Next, we open Google and enter any website marketplace. I like Time Forest. Go to the website. Select in our WordPress section. And look, there is a special section called Start Selling. Go here, complete the internal registration process, and upload our template for sale. I hope you understood the main idea. You can create templates on various topics that are relevant in your region. For example, it doesn't have to be a pizzeria. It's very simple. I'm sure you'll succeed. Thank you, guys. I would be very happy if you like this video or subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.